This is a guided walkthrough for the Lucy level from the Venus CTF labs from hackmyvm.eu. The first thing we need to do to finish this level is to read the mission.txt file. So we're just going to read that file, and it says mission 12. It says the password of the user Elena is between the characters FU and CK. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so what are we going to do? So this is very similar to the previous two levels where we had to use the sed command to to identify a specific string, and we're going to do the same thing here. So there's this file we need to read called file.yo. If we read file.yo, we're going to see it is also filled, like previous levels, with a bunch of different potential passwords. So what we're doing in this case is we're looking for specifically the characters FU and CK, and we need to get whatever's in the middle, and that's going to be the password for the next level, which is the Elena user. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the sed command again, and it's going to be sed, and it's going to look like this. So what we need to do is we need to specify the pattern in between these single quotes here, and we need to specify the file that we're working on at the end of the command, which is file.yo, and the pattern that goes in the middle is going to be like this. And at the beginning, there's going to be an S before this this first slash, and at the end of the other slash, there's going to be a P. So what we need to do is we need to specify this pattern right here, which is dot star FU, to specify that FU has to go at the beginning, and then we need to specify CK, then dot star slash backslash 1. It's a bit complicated. We have to stick a bunch of stuff in the middle here as well. In the middle, we're going to put backslash, and then between the parentheses here, we're going to do some square brackets, and in the square brackets, we're going to do caret and then less than. So this whole pattern here is going to find any characters between the FU and the CK. So when we run the file, when we run the command, okay, it looks like I missed something. Okay. I missed a, okay. So after, this is complicated. So after the parenthesis here, we need to put in a star and a backslash, and yeah, okay, the star and the backslash. Sorry, we need to rearrange this. Okay, so this is it's a bit complicated, and I did have to look up how to create the pattern over here, but this is the result. There's only one line that has the FU and the CK. So, and it's this. So this is the password for the next level, and the next level is the Elena level. So let's copy this password. For everybody in chat who's following along, the Elena level is the next level. And there you go. I'm going to copy this command over here because we're going to be writing up our after action report. Okay, so commit these changes. This is going to be for the Lucy level. So in this case, the target user for this level, the Lucy level, is the Elena user. And the method of solve in this level is we need to isolate a string in a file between some specific characters. Okay, in this case, the key command is this. So pattern is kind of complicated, but if you're having troubles, you can always ask a friendly AI to help you out with this. All right, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Lucy level from the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment below the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.